Good morning, everyone. Well, we're on a detour. We're going through the little town of Livingston, Montana, because of the high winds up on the highway, so they bring you down through downtown Livingston. I'm not exactly sure why, but yeah. So I thought I'd try to show a little bit of the... Don't know how much we'll actually see with everybody's headlights coming at us. So we've got a cool looking little downtown. It's kind of an old western style. Gotta get those headlights out of your way. But all in all, a good morning so far. 216 miles into the day. Oop. Stay in your lane. Don't look at the wreck car over there. Wreck on a wreck. I don't know how much we will see, but we'll certainly give it a whirl. If memory serves me correctly, this is the town, if you know the original, well, I don't know if it's original, but the Superman movie, the gal that played Lois Lane, this is her hometown. Superman's girlfriend. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Still Horse Travels, where the adventures never stop and the journey continues. Love you guys. I'm out. Pop in here now that we got a little bit of daylight going on. We're in the Dakota area of Montana. We finally got the sunlight coming up to our rear, so it is all good. We just went through, just went over Homestake Pass, dropped down into Butte, Montana. So far everything is going wonderfully good. Only had one little detour today, and that was through To Be Expected. It even happens in the summertime, I believe. And that is, excuse me, rolling through Livingston, Montana area. Coming out of the mouth of that canyon right there, it's just, the winds can be absolutely brutal, but it's a beautiful crisp morning. Steel Horse is reading 26 degrees. So we are good weekend. It was nice and quiet. Didn't do much of anything, just kind of lounged around my house. Just kind of chilled out. Let's get back here. Instead of talking to the ether. No, it was a nice, quiet weekend. We just kind of sat around with my boys. And my wife just kind of enjoyed. And then we went to... let me just take these darn things off. They're just for readers anyway. So, went to church on Saturday evening, and outside of that, not much. Just nice, quiet, restful weekend. Found out that my little Dakota, for those of you that have been followed me for any length of time, I have two miniature dachshunds, one long hair and one short hair. And my wife took because we moved into our home in where we live, we had to get a new veterinarian, blah, 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 all that. And, they got to do an examination. They don't you can't just go and take your dog in, and no, they got to do all kinds of workup, blah, blah. So, needless to say, he's fine. He's out. Our little one, what I call the brick, he's my little short-haired bred. I call him the brick because he is solid. And when I cradle him in my left arm, he just plops his chest right down to my hand, and he's just solid. He just sits there. But the little tyke, my wife brushes their teeth every day, but he stopped chewing on his bones and toys and different things a while back. Well, his tartar built up on the back molars, and it's kind of hard to get back there with the toothbrush. And he doesn't kind of let you get back there anyway because he's trying to eat the toothbrush. But to say the least, during the examination, we have to go in for a teeth cleaning. His tartar's building up in the back. Our long hair, Benny, he's good. No problems. Carter's all good back there because he's constantly chomping on something, whether it's his ball or other toys that he's got. So, but Dakota, he had stopped for a while. Well, come to find out, one of his molars is cracked. Yep. So to say the least, we have a dental visit from a little brick. They're saying it could be on the upwards of around $700 to clean all the tartar on his teeth plus remove that set fractured tooth. Love them. Yeah. So just wanted to share that with you guys. So yeah, we got a vet dental bill coming up. So alright guys, on that, God bless. Love you guys. As always, I'll get back to you. Break's over. Let's get at her. Rock and roll. Let's get at it. Okay, guys. Next up, Ritzville, Washington. This rest area is, I don't know if they call it Clinton, Montana. It's definitely before we get to Missoula. So, and I know there's a little, Clinton is where I had my detour, for those of you that kind of remember a little while back when I got to when they had this 90 closed off due to oh, there's some wrecks. Come on over, Arthur. I'll be up there in a minute. They had a wreck up here earlier this winter. So this is that same area, and this is somewhere, I want to believe, that's just pretty. I don't care who he's, I don't care who you are, that's just pretty. I don't know about you guys. Leave a comment down below. I just think Montana is just a postcard. It's really hard to grab areas. I mean, you can almost literally just turn your camera on and walk away. But I believe, maybe not. It's up here a little ways. I'm not going to video that long. Yeah, this is the wide open big sky country they call Montana. Yeah, I absolutely just do love it. It's way cool. So on that, guys, we're gonna get back on. We're just gonna roll and just see where we get. All right. God bless. And as always, I'll get back to you. Well, guys. The day is complete. We're sitting here in Lind, Washington, or at least a zip code for it. So, yep, we're sitting there. There's a freeway. There's a rest stop right over there by that grain bin, right there. But I've gone in there, and it's not that friendly of a rest stop, and for me, it's on the wrong side of the highway for me getting on the road in the morning, because I'm getting right on the freeway right there, and I don't want to drive all the way from there when I'm parked right here. So, and not only that, but where that vehicle's turning right there at the stop sign, it's kind of a hard turn right there, and somebody's already hit the guardrail. So we early in the morning, it's a little cruddy, as they would say, to make that turn. So, and this is a asphalt when they strip the roads and stuff, that's what this is. Regrinds, or I think they call them regrinds or something like that is what they call them. So, but yeah, this is, because I believe that building right there belongs to the highway department. So whenever they're working on the roadways, they, as you can see, paint and stuff in the asphalt, and yeah. So we parked next to it. We're all good. Top of my trailer looks all right. Got no debris. So, but the day is complete, everyone. I apologize for the wind. What a day. So, yeah, back to my little brick. Mama's supposed to find out tomorrow. She was a little under the weather today, fighting some headaches and stuff, so didn't want to make a phone call or whatever. So she'll find out when we're looking at probably getting his tooth done somewhere around probably like first or second week of March, seeing as how February is kind of a short month anyway. Get my camera up so you guys can see me instead of my top of my head or the bottom of my chin. So, but yeah, we're here in the zip code of Lind, Washington, because if I'm not mistaken, I do believe, well, I'm on the wrong side as I spin you around and get you dizzy. Lind is back that way. I'm not exactly sure how many miles it is, but it's back there because the road for it is like right there. That goes that way. So, but yeah, I got dinner cooking in the crock pot. Nothing different there. Got my bison going on. And so we're all good. Here comes another Walmart. It's kind of a convention in here of Walmart drivers. So all in all, a good day today, a joyful day today. No real issues with general public or in my business, four-wheelers. So, but I'd like to give a shout out to my retired drivers and former drivers, male and female both alike. Some in Michigan, some here in Washington. My buddy Jeffy up there in Canada fighting the fight. Keep up the fight, brother. Got a lot of people not even in this business praying for you. So, and yeah, so it'll be all good. Justice will prevail. Good will prevail over evil. So, all right, guys. Well, I've rambled enough. This day is done. I'm gonna go at it. Have a little gypsies while actually, I don't know. I might have me a couple of mandarin oranges. My wife bought me a bag of mandarin oranges and a bag of cuties. So that's my dessert for the day, is eating some oranges and stuff. So I might just have a couple of mandarins, seeing how they're relatively small. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the gas prices there. It's probably backwards. It's 4 or something. Let's see, 409 for diesel and 379 for the cheap crap. I mean the cheap stuff in your car, and 389 for high end. Which that's what we burn in my wife. Well, actually, I do it even in my beater, because I find that my car runs better. I know it's a pain in my wallet, but it'd be bigger pain in my wallet if my old car wasn't getting good premium gas, because even the premium gas is, well, we'll leave the fuel stuff alone. So, all right, guys, God bless. And as always, thanks for coming along on another episode of Steel Horse Travels, where the adventure never stops and the journey continues. On that, I love you. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Put a comment down in the, as my finger's in my way. Yeah, put a comment down below. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so when the next episode. What I try to do is I try to wrap this up. I do a daily vlog. Okay, every episode starts one day, ends one day, and I edit and put out one day. So I put these out every day at the end of a run. And today, from Forsyth, Montana to here was 733 miles is what we all journeyed today. So thanks for coming along. Thanks for keeping me company. And on that, I love you guys. And as always, I'll catch you on the next.